efficient to use electricity.
Oh, electricity, yeah, you burn something instead.
Burn something, that
Yeah.
was my point.
Yeah, or you do some straight solar thermal. I mean, thermal, or try some thermal storage. So your system is 720 watts. So here's your time in seconds at 720 watts. So there's here's joules divided by watts. 720 gives you seconds. Number, tink, 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 tink. There you go. There's a way to do this time. No. So it's about you can run for 8 minutes, and that's probably about right. You know, here's the specific. Here's your 1 liter of water. It weighs a kilogram. That's the specific heat. There's the change in temperature. So it's gonna be this much, this many joules to cook the food. And what was our battery rating?
12 volts, 35 amp hours.
Oh yeah. So here's the this is
my question.
yeah. This is for water. This is gonna be our battery. And our battery.
7 minutes to boil water on that thing?
Yes.
Well, no, that's more like, it's not just that the amount of time you could run something at 720 watts.
It is. But this is also the amount of energy to boil a liter of water. So if all that energy went in at 720, it would take 7 minutes. If you had a more powerful source, if you had the thing running at
24 watts.
yeah, if you had it running at more watts, right now you're at 720 watts. If you went up to 1,000 watts, it takes just 5.5 minutes to boil instead. 720. Okay, but our battery system, what do we say? It's got 420 watt hours. Well, the time is going to be the same. Anyway. So it sounds about right. No, there's no problem with that. Okay, so let's go back to our narrative. I mean, that's right in the ballpark of what I expected. Let's look at these solar cells and figure out which ones to buy.
There should be a tab open in your browser with the different options and Emerald Solar.
Oh, super, thanks.
That's a weird tab.
This one? Okay. Okay, 3x6 solar cells. Now these look tabbed and these say they're tabbed. Which one should we do? Then there's the value pack. I think the value pack are untabbed.
I don't know how that's a value path. Go into 3x8 solar cells.
I ended up picking.
This one? 3 by 6?
Yeah.
Is there a kid that had like 30s?
Yeah, just go into the 3x8 one of that, and now scroll down. 43 by 6 untapped, 54.95, so that's probably what, $42 for 32 of them. And then you gotta spend the money to have someone sitting there.
It's gonna be a crappy solder. I mean, it's, yeah, we should just go with the tabbed.
Okay, and if you look at the tab ones, where are the tab ones?
I think,
$49.99, 37 hole 3x6 solar cell single tab, 1.8 knots. What's the knot split mean?
means you're gonna break most of them.
Does it?
Yeah. Not split. Wait, not split.
Because that comes to about $32.
Yeah.
42. I don't know, I had it added out in my little spreadsheet.
This is about, well, shoot, this is actually pretty good. 150 times 1.8. Here's what I want to do is just compare these. It's too bad they don't have part numbers on these things. So let's just do this. This is option 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a 1 kilowatt. I don't know how many that is. Let's start here then. 37 times 1.8 equals 37 times 1.8. And then what was the cost on that one? $49.99? $49.99 equals dollars per watt. Oh, yeah, we can do it that way. 1 kilowatt, so 1,000 right here, right? And this is $349.99, $349.99. The next one is 76 times 1.8 equals 76 times 1.8 for $98.99. 98.99. The next one is 150 times 1.8 equals 150 times 1.8 for $169.99. 169.99. Copy, paste, paste, paste. These are all Control 1, currency. So this is watts, this is dollars, and this is dollars per watt. So the best deal is just to buy the 1 kilowatt set, 1 kilowatt set.
Can you click on that real quick? See what it says?
I mean, just check it out, it's 35 cents per watt.
It's really cheap.
It's pretty dang cheap.
There's gotta be a catch.
There's gotta be a catch.
No, there's no catch, they put it up there like that for people that don't understand how to do what he just did. And
Figure out the price.
it's easy to go through a shopping mall and shop per ounce, but the way he just did it is,
At this price, who cares?
Like, I was just wondering, are they in 3x6 cells?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's a kilowatt worth of 3x6 cell.
Yeah. So it's like kind of a big bulk discount is what they're doing, right? And it also says, we look at Plus bonus solar cells. The reason they're bonus is because you're going to break some. Let's just go with that. $300. We got plenty to play with.
So you're really like ready to buy this stuff?
Yeah, we got Department of Labor money just burning a hole in our pocket right now.
It's just gonna sit around for a year unless we've got time to come in and start putting it together, I guess.
And part of the problem with like the practicum, as you saw, is like, oh, let's go buy something we need tomorrow or this afternoon. But now, buy it a year ahead of time. Let's do it. Let's pull the trigger. Out of stock. Oh. Let's buy it anyway. Back order it. Doesn't matter.
So if those are 1.8 watt cells,
Yeah.
where were we getting the half a watt?
Half a volt per cell.
Oh, volt, that's right.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
1.8 divided by 1,000. What are you getting?
Other way around.
What are you getting?
1,000 divided by 1.8.
You can buy 155 of them.
Mm-hmm.
You can store those over at Montech.
Oh, I mean, this is going to be like 10 decks of cards. They're like Pringles potato chips, man. Imagine buying 555 3x6 potato chips. That's all it is. So that's enough to make 17 systems at 32 cells per system. So we could make 15 of them, no problem. We could also fix the 2012 solar car. It's that thing's 2 kilowatts. God, that was a lot of work. Thank you, Grant Myrie.
What are your office hours anyways?
Oh, they're on the Tuesday, Thursday, 10 to 11, and Wednesday, 11 to noon, or by appointment. Electrician's helper. We're starting a new degree, they call it a CTS, Certificate of Technical Skills.
Cool.
The electrician's helper.
That sounds great.
Yeah. It's a one-semester certificate.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I mean, pretty soon it's going to be, you're going to get credit for just walking through the door. Have you sat in the classroom?
That would be a good scholar, I would imagine.
Yeah, it's weird. I was listening to the radio the other day, and we have a carpentry program here. Obviously, there's another carpentry program up at Flathead Valley, and there's it's like an electrician's apprentice. But the guy that runs the thing says, "Yeah, we've got this great carpentry product, but seems like guys in Montana don't value that." Which, yeah, well, I was just telling Adam that we are now going to offer this one semester CTS, Certificate of Technical Skills, and it's going to be in a certificate we call Electrician's Helper. So it's 5 classes. It's like safety, AC, DC, math, one other thing I can't remember, but that's it. Oh, and I'm sorry, and then the other thing is this thing called the NECCR. It's a National Career, et cetera thing. But I was answering his question.
Well, then you were talking about the guy with the carpentry.
Yeah, and he went on the radio sort of, complaining that not enough people are signing up for it. And I'm not sure, I think that's just a breakdown between industry, academia, and pretty much like the consumer, like, who's consuming carpentry skills, and if they're willing to just go for somebody with, very limited, no certified skills, really.
Yeah.
Sure, okay, go for it.